In today's video, we'll be seeing how to free space in C drive and make your computer run faster. In our earlier video, we have seen how to use Clean Manager, that is Clean MGR, Prefetch, and Tree, and Malwarebytes. Now, in this video, we'll be discussing about temp, uh, modular sign, temp, and again modular sign, and again recycle bin, uninstall, and optimize and disclaim. So here in the run window, what we would do is we would type temp, and what you need to do is you need to click on this delete temp file. As soon as you press on that, it will scan all the drives, and in this particular process it will take time. As you can see that it is taking time. Give the time for the system to scan all the unnecessary files, and once the scanning is finished, you will be clicking on temporary files, and you will be deleting all the temp files. So as soon as the scanning is finished, and then you will click on this temp files, and here as you can see that there are plenty of other options that are available. So remember this, like you're not supposed to delete any other files. So you need to click on so what you can do is you can click on this remove files. This particular process also it will take time. So as you can see that there are plenty of files to be removed. So therefore what it does is it takes time. And here by default the temporary internet files has been checked. So thereby if any browser settings that you have done, that will be erased. That is frequently accessed one. I would always suggest not to save auto save passwords in any of the browser, and kindly manage the cookies properly. So it's taking time. So as you can see that as it is taking time, we shall just see what is the space that is free over here. As you can see that only 16 GB of free space is there out of 121 GB. After the completion of all the tasks, let us see how much space is free. So in the meanwhile, I'll be executing the next command and press enter. So as you can see that there are plenty of files over here. You'll select all and then delete, press the delete button. So if any file so we are not unable to delete, then we'll just skip or continue. So parallelly, what I'll do is I'll minimize this window. I'll minimize this window, and then I'll right click on this temp file and empty the recycling bin contents. Similarly, I'll be showing you the next option, that is add or remove programs. You have to click on at the background. The temp recycling bin files are being deleted. So as you can see that here, so as soon as you come to this particular window, you'll be seeing a number of you can see a number of applications being installed. So you will keep only those programs which you are using, and you will uninstall all the remaining programs which you are not using by selecting the corresponding thing over here. So in this case, I'll be uninstalling this Malwarebytes version. So it will ask me whether to uninstall. I'll say uninstall. So as soon as yes, so like this, you can uninstall whichever the programs that you are not utilizing. While this is getting uninstalled, what I'll do is I'll go with the next one, optimize. So you will click on this optimize drive. Parallelly, you can perform all these tasks. So in this case, I just want to clear up the C drive. Why? Because all the programs gets installed in C drive because of that. So therefore, I'll analyze this drive. And after that, I'll click on optimize. So let this particular process run in the background. In the meanwhile, the application of Malwarebytes has been uninstalled. I'll say OK. So let this optimize drives run in the background. Now what I'll do is I'll go for disk cleanup. I'll say enter. So here it will display all the drives that are displayed over here. I just want to clean up the C drive, so I'll click on the C and then click on OK. So here I'll just say OK. I'll say yes. The disk clean is over. Now again this optimized drive, it's taking time. So what I have done is this scheduled optimization. So I have set up weekly optimization automatically. So therefore the drives keeps getting optimized regularly. If it is off, then you have to optimize this and you have to perform that particular intended task. In this case, I'll stop this, but what you have to do is you have to run all those things. Since this scheduled optimization is on, automatically it keeps optimizing the C drive. So thereby I'll stop this because already the C drive is optimized, and I'll close this. Now we can see the C drive that 25.6, I mean 25.3 GB of free space is there, whereas in the earlier case it was less when compared to the total hard disk space of 121 GB. So in this case, what you will do is you will clean up all the unnecessary files and make your system run in a much more faster way. Thank you.